Yeah, man, Stewie coming to you. This video was recorded on Sunday, the 26th of May, 2024. It's an incident relating to a Spirit Airlines, which had a challenge which it had to return to the airport, declaring an emergency. The aircraft seemed to have taken off as normal, where it climbed up to about 5,000 feet. Then it banked hard to the left, descended to about 3,000 feet very quickly. The aircraft headed back to the airport at low altitude, after which it was met on the runway by emergency vehicles. Here's the actual footage of the aircraft involved in the incident, escorted by the fire service on the runway.
70, you can continue taxiing on Alpha when ready and contact ground 1217.
1 ready and 217, square 270.
I was pretty close by the airport when this was going down, but I didn't have a chance to get a good vantage point as this was happening very quickly, and this is all I managed to capture. Didn't get the actual landing in its fullness, but I'm happy to see that, it made it back to the airport and everyone is alive and well.
Number 430 Gulf Whiskey, are you able to proceed to a closer right base runway 07?
Are we going to continue to final?
Should be completed in another 2 minutes or less.
Yeah, we can start our approach to the field now.
Sounds to me like this one got pretty serious. I can't confirm the information, but I heard that on board, it was declared that the passengers and crew members should prepare for a water landing. As I said, I can't confirm it, but that is what I've heard so far. So this one looked like it was a serious situation on board. And as again, I can't emphasize how happy I am just to see them on the ground and to know that they're safe and the aircraft is still intact, Yeah, man, still again, sharing the little that I've captured, this one has got me very emotional. So, say bless up on yourself and, thank God, they're safe and well.
To orbit runway 07. Inspection should be completed in another minute or less. You're just up a few meters short of final.
430
This is a good example of how professional these air traffic controllers are. This scenario just unfolded and they know that there are aircraft circling above waiting to land as soon as this runway is reopened.